up to?
Just doing a dance tutorial. You heard of the Go Crazy dance?
No, is it something like this TikTok stuff?
Yeah, there's a lot of people have been doing it on TikTok, yeah. I'm just teaching it.
Oh, okay. Good luck.
Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Go Crazy dance, yo! The Go Crazy dance has been trending on TikTok and it's been very popular. So guys, I'm going to break down the dance routine for you into simple steps. Watch and learn. Guys, now that I've shown you all the steps, let me show you the whole routine in beat with the song.
Lead up, got me thinking, babe. Tell me if you with it, cause I'm with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm in it, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada. Trip to your crib in the middle of the night. I don't let you miss me as I put it down right down, babe. I can put you on a flight. You know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy. I got what you need.
Thanks for watching guys, and remember, practice and repetition is key. Make sure you practice and repeat the same moves and dance routine. You will eventually get the hang of it. Please like, comment and subscribe down below for more videos on vlogs and dance tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.